As well as achieving the right shape for your part in FreeCAD, we often have to enhance its geometry by addressing certain design factors. This is where FreeCAD's part design dress-up operations come into play. In the first lesson of this chapter, we will explore the reasons why dress-up exists, what challenges they try to solve, and what tools are available. While the dress-up operations that are available in FreeCAD can be used to add or remove volume to achieve the desired form, their primary purpose is to address some of the following design factors. First, we have manufacturability. This is in the subject area of making the part easier to produce to save certain costs, such as time, money, and wear on manufacturing equipment. Operations can be used to enhance the product's visual and tactile qualities. This is also key to safety. For example, a head-high cabinet with a filleted corner is less likely to cause injury than one without. Another factor is strength, increasing the part's ability to withstand cracking or weakening over time. Lastly, we have functionality. We must ensure our part performs the intended role, fitting and functioning correctly within set parameters. Let's take a closer look at the dress-up features in the part design, considering the key areas of manufacturability, aesthetics, strength, and functionality. First of all, we have the fillet. A fillet is a rounded internal or external edge or a corner on a part. It helps smooth the sharp edge, giving the part a more refined appearance and tactile feel. Fillets also improve manufacturability. Sharp internal corners are difficult to machine or mold and can cause tool wear or breakage. Fillets will distribute the load more evenly around corners, reducing stress concentrations and the risk of cracking under repeated or long-term use. The chamfer is a beveled straight angle cut at a corner or edge of a part. It adds visual interest to a simple plain edge, and it improves functionality by easing assembly. For example, a chamfered hole allows for easy alignment and insertion of a fastener such as a bolt. Chamfers will also reduce edge chipping, especially on a gear with teeth or sliding parts. They help guide motion in mechanical assemblies. Additionally, they help distribute stress build-up at edges and intersections. The draft is a gradual taper applied to faces of a part. These are essential in processes like injection molding and casting. A part with a tapered side can be ejected easily while maintaining its precise shape and dimensions. Last of all, we have the thickness. This adds or defines a uniform wall thickness commonly used when converting a solid part into hollow ones. Proper control of wall thickness is crucial when preventing warping or collapse, especially when dealing with pressure or load-bearing applications. It also plays a key role in achieving the right balance of weight, strength, insulation, and material efficiency. Please note that the thickness tool will not be covered here, as it's already been discussed earlier in the course. So that's the chapter introduction. In the lessons that follow, we'll explore key part design dress-up features, learn how to use them, and solutions and challenges we'll face on our journey when creating our FreeCAD models. I hope you enjoyed that video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson in this chapter. If you like what you see and you want to donate to the channel, then you can do so via Ko-Fi or Coffee at ko-fi.com/MANG0 or via PayPal at paypal.com/paypalme/Darren B. Eastone. I also run a Patreon where you can get early access and additional content, and that's at patreon.com/Mango Jelly Solutions. Links can be found in the channel header, on the About page, or in the descriptions of these videos. I thank everybody that's donated so far. It really helps to keep the lights on so I can produce more content and also expand the channel. Thank you for liking, commenting and subscribing to these videos, and I hope to see you again in the next one.